TV. So today, beautiful people, how are you all doing? If you are doing great, as for me and my daughter, we are doing super great by His grace, and we wish the same for you all out there. So today, beautiful people, I want to show you some beautiful place where I work. So here is a beautiful drawing. So let's go. Here is pedicure. You can come for your nails. As you can see, this is the woman doing it. So there's the pedicure. For the new people, when they come, they do their nails there and everything. So we have another beautiful drawings here, a lot of it. Then cafeteria, when you are going to the cafeteria, you pass through here. When you are going to the cafeteria, you pass through there. And so in this way also, here is where we put the things for washing, for cleaning the floor, for cleaning the steps. Here is where we put all the things. And here is another beautiful painting drawing, another beautiful painting. And here is the work salon. Here is where the washing machine, everything. The old people come there for washing and they do ironing. It's very beautiful. We have another beautiful drawing there, beautiful drawing here. So you can pass this place out. This for passing out, and you use the step. You know, I did a video, I cleaned the step today. So that is it. And you pass there out also. So let me show you another place, beautiful people. So here is Atela and Bibliotech. So this place is the Obi Hall. It's the Obi Hall and also the library. Bibliotech means library. Atela, the Obi Hall. So here is it. In this place, you know, the old people, they can do painting, they can do drawing, they can do sewing, they can do music, they can do anything they want. So here is it. So here is part of the things that the old people did. You can see beautiful colors, beautiful drawing, beautiful painting.
Jesus.
Yeah, this is Jesus. Who did it? Maybe I turn it, maybe we can see who did it, if they write the name. Oh, the person didn't write the name. This is Jesus. When they named Jesus on the cross of Calvary.
The come from Africa.
This is where you come from. Yeah.
Africans.
Oh my. So this is another drawing, another painting. It's beautiful painting, guys. So here is the bibliothèque. Here is the library. You see? So here you can see booking. Booking means books. All books are here. For the old people, they do come here and take books. They have to read it. And they have to return it, just like the children library. My daughter also, she go to library, but for the kids library, you know, she take it, you have to return it before the day that they told you to return it. So here are the chairs, you know, that they can sit also, they can read here also, they can take it to their apartment also when they want, you know. So here is it. I cleaned it I think I cleaned it about 2 weeks ago. Mohammed, I cleaned it yes, I cleaned this place 2 weeks ago, so it's still cleaned. So here is it. So beautiful. So you can see there's a long chairs for the old people. So many. You see, so many. So when they come, guys,
meeting home, you know.
They have to write. So they have to write their names and the dates. So for them to know the people that came that day, you know. So here is it. More beautiful colors over there. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful colors over there, and over this place are machines, sewing machines, you know, they cover it up for people, for the old people who would love to sew, you know, sewing machines are over there. So here is the activities hall, the hobby hall for the old people. So by God's grace, next time I'm going to show you another place. It's my friend, you know, you have to
You
pray
can
for
show
my
them
friend,
after, and the wash
Mohammed,
machines, yeah.
You know.
You can see the place
so
for.
Mohammed said we should try to show this place is beautiful, you know. So like you can see.
This is Wilrijk, you know, this is Wilrijk.
Yeah.
Well,
So
this is city.
Yeah.
For someone
Mohammed,
drawing.
Show the washing place. Also.
Yeah.
So here we are. Here is the washing place. So Mohammed said we should show you. You can see it's so big and beautiful, and they have big giant. All is giant washing machine, you know. So here is it for the old people. They can choose anyone. When it's free, like this tray is free. So when the old people come, they just put it here for washing. I think this is for drying.
Yep.
This
is for drying. This is drying.
This for drying.
This
and
drying.
This for washing. Say wash machine. This for washing. And this 3 is for drying, you saw? Yeah, drug cast mist for drying. This for drying, this for drying. This is for washing all these ones, you see? So, that God's grace, I think, Belgium, they are doing their best to make the whole people comfortable, So, thanks for watching. Hope you love this video. Thanks so